Happy Vlogmas Day 13, guys! So today I have a grocery haul from BJ's. The total on the haul was $396.83. So for starters, I have the coffee breakfast blend, Wellesley Farms, $27.99. The cookies, the Pillsbury cookies, my son loves these. Send school with him for his school lunches. He'll snack on them at home. $11.99. This is for my latest food craving. $10.99 for 72 of them. This lasts me probably a week and a half. My husband wanted ribs again, so I picked up ribs. They're originally $19.99, and they had an automatic $5 off coupon, making them $14.99, which is a really good deal compared to Walmart right now, where they are $18.99 at Walmart. Right, so then I had the paper towels. These went up in price. These used to be $14.99. They are now $15.99. I still bought them. You get 12 big rolls, and these things are huge. Next, I have the Totino's pizza rolls. This because in about 2 weeks, Christian will be off for a week and a half for Christmas vacation. And I'll need something for him to have as an easy lunch at the house. Cranberry apple. My husband loves this stuff. I love it. It was $7.99 for 2 big old bottles. And they are 96 ounces. Almost 3 liters each. This at the store for the same quantity for each bottle would have been $4.99. It also had a $1 off coupon, making it $6.99 for 2 of them, which is an amazing deal. Alright, so the Unos had a good deal. My husband loves these. He'll eat them when he works late, or if he just wants a quick lunch during the day when he's off. But these were $11.99, no, $12.99, and then they had a $2 off coupon, making them $10.99, which is a really good deal. Strawberries, because we're trying to get Christian back into eating fruits. So I've picked these strawberries up so you can eat these. I'll make like strawberry pancakes over Christmas vacation. I will also post a video to show you guys how to make strawberry pancakes from real strawberries. This was a bummer. You guys know me. Every time I go to BJ's, I buy this. I usually get it for $12.99. I've gotten it for as low as $10.99. There was no coupon on it whatsoever this week. And they were $16.99. I almost didn't buy it. I have some at home that are a generic brand from my local, no, from Shaw's, not Market Basket. It was just a quick run-in to do a haul on that video. I didn't do a haul on that grocery trip just because I literally ran in to get laundry soap. Not laundry soap, dishwasher soap. So long story short, I decided to pick these up because I'm not a fan of the Shaw's brand. It's not working as great. All right, so toilet paper, $19.99. That was another bummer because I've gotten it as low as $16.99. But unfortunately, it was $19.99 this week. And it's not even the brand I usually get. That was the cheapest brand they had. I usually get White Cloud. Centipedes. They were the store brand Berkeley and Jensen, which is the BJ's brand. I want to say they were $12.99. Jimmy Dean sandwiches, I have no idea how much these were. My husband just grabbed them as a quick grab. But there's that. The cheese Danish my husband wanted for breakfast. Mind you, the man never eats breakfast, but he says he'll eat it with a cup of coffee. So we'll see how that goes. $4.99. This was another craving I had, the brownies. $8.99. So I'm hoping these are soft and they're not the hard ones. Because I've gotten brownie bites before. I forget where, maybe Walmart back in the day. And they were hard and I never got them again. So I figured I'd give it another chance and see how they come out. Alright, so this is another one I'm giving a second chance to. This was $20.99. It's the Berkeley and Jensen. I recently got the green Berkeley and Jensen one and I didn't like the scent at all. So I got this one. I figured the green is gain, orange would probably be tied, probably be a completely different scent, and hopefully I like this one. I'm a big, huge gain. I use gain in pretty much everything. Dish soap, laundry soap, you name it. So for me not to like the green one, which is supposed to be comparable to gain, that was a bummer. So like I said, I'm going to give these a try and see how they go. Only because the gain they had there was $30, and I wasn't paying $30 for laundry soap. Alright, so now I need these because it's that time of the year where I have candles in every single room. And yes, they are holiday scented candles. My favorite holiday scent is vanilla sugar, so that's what I have. So then down here, we needed a new toilet brush. So I picked up the toilet wand with refills, 36 refills, bonus handle inside. I forget how much this one was. Smartphone popcorn, if you guys shop at BJ's, you know their Lay's potato chips, when they come bags like this, are $8.99 for 2 bags. So the total on the 2 of these are $8.99. And that's an amazing deal because I consider these to be party-sized bags, and those are usually like $4.99 in the store. So I picked up 2 of those. Simply Lemonades. It was an alright deal. I can usually get these. So these are usually $2.98 in store. So $3, $6, $9. Since maybe about $1 buying the 3-pack. But I know that this will be gone. Today's Monday. It will be gone by Wednesday. Alright, so you guys also know if you've been here for a while, we always buy my husband's gum there. That was also going up in price, so we just picked up one random one, and this I think was $11.99, $10.99 for a 20-pack, which, when you think about it, is not that bad of a deal. Chunky blue cheese, my husband picked this up. I have no idea how much that was, but that's a big old bottle, 32 ounces. Clorox was $10.99 for 3 of them. I picked it up because I use straight bleach when I clean. My husband prefers not to, so picked it up for him to use when he wants to clean. Fruit Swirls, $11.99. No, $11.29 for a 20-pack. 16-ounce bottles. Batteries, if you live with boys, you know, they're always gaming. And I bought the wrong ones. Crap. Let's buy AA's. I'll find a use for these. And those are expensive too. They're like $17 for those batteries. My son had mentioned to me last night that he wanted waffle fries. So I picked up these waffle fries. He said that he wanted Chick-fil-A. I'm hoping that they're similar. But it's a 4-pound bag. Deodorants, we're running low on them, so I picked up more deodorants. And then as 2 extra Christmas gifts for our son, I saw this because the first thing I did was walk down the toy aisle, see the same thing extra. I might want to pick them up for Christmas. And I was like, holy crap, look at how cute this is. So this comes with literally everything for a fun rainy day. You have stickers, sand art, paint your own figurines, color and sticker roll. Oh, that's a coloring roll. Interesting. I haven't seen that since I was a kid. Sun catchers. I was like, dang, hell yeah. $20.99. That was an amazing deal for what it comes with. And I even told my husband, if it came in different characters, I would have picked up several things of these. But with it only coming in one, I only picked up one thing of it. And then we were in the checkout line, and I happened to see out of the corner of my eye a Crayola, I forget what you call it, but like display case. So I sent my husband over to there to see what it is. He said, it's bath stuff. So I'm like, okay, let me go take a look. So I went over and I took a look, and I had to buy it. I think it was $24.99, but it comes with 8 bath bombs, 1 pack of 8-piece color bath drops, 4 finger paints, 6 body wash pens, 1 collectible crayon container, 1 loofah, 1 reusable brush, 1 palette. I'm not sure what the palette's for, but it's a 30-piece set. And it looks really cute. They had it in blue, green, and pink at my local BJ's. They might have different colors at your store. I was looking to see they had a purple, but they didn't, so I went with the blue. So all in all, that was $396, which includes 2 extra Christmas gifts for Christian, snacks, foods, drinks. We're set.